If your kitchen drain has been smelling off, this is going to help you deodorize, clean, and freshen up your kitchen sink, the garbage disposal, and actually the plumbing underneath too. So all you need to do is basically get these Bastion lemon drops, and then you're going to run the garbage disposal with some water for about maybe 30 seconds. Then you're going to drop in one of the lemon cleaning drops and go ahead and run the garbage disposal, and it is going to deodorize and freshen up this actual drain. You're going to want to do this every couple weeks or however often you want the drain smelling like fresh lemons, and this is a quick and simple solution. And over time, you're just going to make sure that you don't put as much food down there because that will help with the smell over time. But in the short term, you can definitely use these lemon drops, especially maybe if you're having some company come over and you just want everything to smell like fresh and clean. Now, if you don't enjoy lemon, they also have different scents, and they also have different styles of pods, so they aren't all the same style like this. Some of them look more like dish pods, but they all help to deodorize and freshen and clean up your garbage disposal and your drain.